45 women came from all over the U.S. and even from across the pond. Some of us left jobs. Some came straight from graduate and PhD programs. We came to Hackbrighter because we love building, problem solving, and creating elegant tech solutions to address complex problems. We were placed into 2 cohorts, Ada and Grace, named for 2 important female pioneers in computer science. We were sorted into 4 houses: Ravenclaw, Slytherin, Gryffindor, and everyone's favorite, Hufflepuff. One of the first things we noticed about Hackbrighter was its amazing positive culture. Each wall and surface is covered with Post-it notes and posters reminding us about how hardworking and dedicated we are and how we can achieve anything if we put ourselves to it. We learned a ton in lectures including Python, SQL, data modeling, JavaScript, Jinja templating, HTML, CSS, data structures, object-oriented programming, and the list goes on. There was pair programming after each lecture to solidify the learning. We practiced vocabulary and worked through tough problems as a team, building skills that will make us strong communicators and collaborators in the job. And with the support and encouragement from our ed team and industry mentors, every single one of us took an idea and built a web app that we can all be so proud of. We went from idea to execution in 4 weeks for the projects, and that made us feel pretty powerful. With our red Hackbrighter hoodies in hand, we close this chapter and start a new one. We will do our part to change the face of the tech industry, and we will serve as role models for all those who will join us after and give back to the community that gave so much to us. So thank you from all of us to all of you.